Hi everyone, this is a video on how to use this Karcher 1900 PSI pressure washer. That's what it looks like, and it's got a wheel at the back for rolling up the hose, the high pressure hose. Now when it's all set up, you want to make sure that the water is connected over here. You'll see right now it's all turned on and everything, and the water is feeding into it. This is the on button down here, so you step on that just like a foot pedal, on off once it's all connected. When it's running and it's idle, you'll hear a little bit of a sound in the background. Kind of hear the water kind of going into it. The water should get just connected up to your house. Make sure the water's on before you start using it. When you have it plugged in, it'll look like that. You should see a green light. Now if you don't see it, you can press the test and the reset button to play with that a bit. But you'll need the green light to make sure you got power. And once you've got power and the water's on, you can make sure the hose is connected. So here, you'll need to connect the hose here. You just rotate it this way. Also, these guys here, you can take this part off. Probably leave that connected, but this is the turbo nozzle. To take the nozzle off, you pull this one back. Pull this one back. Let's see if I can do this with the video here. I want to pull this back, and then that will pop up. That's the turbo nozzle. That'll get the most power. There are other nozzles up on here. So this is the 15 degree, the 40, and the soap. If you want to use some soap, don't use any bleach, but you can load it into one of these two containers. Personally, I recommend don't use any soap or anything. It's just going to make things more complicated. Should have plenty of pressure just on its own. And then once you're all hooked up, you can just give her a go. And go back and forth. Come right off. You could use it. I do not recommend using it. Be very careful if you want to use it up against the siding. It can be very dangerous to do that. So be very, very careful if you try to do that, and make sure you're backed off or using a smaller nozzle when doing that. Hope this helps.